So good morning everyone. This is the continuation of Magna Carta of Women. How can Filipino women living abroad benefit from this law? Statistics shows that more and more Filipino women are migrating for overseas employment. In many in many places, migrant workers have limited legal protection or access to information about their rights, rendering them vulnerable to gender-specific discrimination, exploitation, and abuse. So, karamihan sa ibang lugar sa ibang bansa ay kukonti lang yung kanilang legal protection. Yung iba naman is hindi rin nila alam yung kanilang karapatang pantao bilang isang overseas Filipino worker. Kaya karamihan sa kababaihan na nagtatrabaho doon ay nakakaranas din ng pang-aabuso. Next is who will be responsible for implementing the Magna Carta of Women. The state, the private sector, society in general, and all individuals shall contribute to the recognition, respect, and promotion of the rights of women, defined and guaranteed in the Magna Carta of Women. The Philippine government shall be the primary duty bearer in the implementing the said law. So, sa lahat ng private sector, society, and all individuals are responsible for implementing the Magna Carta of Women. At ang pangunahing duty ng Philippine government ay ang maipatupad ang batas na ito. As the primary duty bearer, the government is tasked to refrain from discriminating against women and violating their rights. Para pigilan ang pagdidiscriminate sa mga kababaihan at pangbabaliwala sa kanilang karapatan. Protect women against discrimination and from violation of their rights by private corporations and entities and individuals. Promote and fulfill the rights of women in all spheres, including their rights to substantive equality and non-discrimination. Protektahan ang mga kababaihan laban sa discrimination and violation of their rights at tutuhanin ang kanilang karapatan bilang kababaihan, kabilang na rito ang pagiging equal sa lahat. What are the specific responsibilities of government under the Magna Carta of Women? The Magna Carta of Women mandates all government offices, including government-owned and controlled corporation and local government unit, to adopt gender mainstreaming and strategy for implementing the law and attaining its object. The Magna Carta of Women ay inuutusan ni lahat ng government offices, pati na rin ang government and the corporation at pati na rin ang mga local units para mapanatili and then may sa katuparan ang batas na ito at mapagtuunan ng pansin. National Commission of the Role of Filipino Women, which will be renamed as the Philippine Commission on Women, or PCW, shall be the overall monitoring and oversight body to ensure the implementation of the law. As an agency under the Office of the President of the Philippines, it will be the primary policy-making and coordinating body for women and gender equality concern and shall lead in ensuring the government agencies and capacitated on the effective implementation of the Magna Carta of Women. So, ang PCW or the Philippine Commission of Women ay sila yung nagmo-monitor kung naipapatupad ba ng maayos ang kanilang batas. Ito yung pangunahin sa kanilang policy making ang pakinggan ang mga concern ng mga kababaihan o kung ano pa man ang iyong gender. At ina-assure talaga nila or ng government agencies yung effectiveness and the capacity of their implementing law like Magna Carta of Women. What are the penalties of violators? If the violation is committed by the government agencies or any government office, including governmental-owned and controlled corporation and local government units, the person directly responsible for the violation, as well as the head of the agency or local chief executive, shall be held liable under the Magna Carta of Women. Kung ang violation mo ay committed dyan sa government agencies and other government offices, ay kailangan mong harapin ang iyong violations and the local chief executive na ang magde-decide kung ano ang dapat gawin. Further, in cases when violence has been proven to be perpetrated by agents of the state, such shall be considered as aggravating offenses with corresponding penalties depending on the severity of the offenses. At kung mapapatunayan na ang iyong violation is offense lang, like pinotektahan mo lang ang iyong sarili, ay meron din siyang penalties, pero depende lang doon sa mga damages. How will the implementation of Magna Carta of Women be funded? The Magna Carta of Women provides the state agency should utilize their gender and development budget for programs and activities to implement its provision. Ang Magna Carta of Women is ginaprovide na siya ng mga state agencies para sa kanilang mga kagamitan and for their gender development budget para sa kanilang mga program activities.